Hello everyone, this is Fali. So this is another tutorial video that I'm going to do about how to use the SketchUp plugin, how to install the extensions, and how to create this kind of structure using the plugin, and also how to export the file into STL, because when we export it into STL we can also adjust it in 3ds Max. We can link them together. Okay, so this is the form that I have created from right now before I learned how to use 3ds Max. So you can see that inside it already has a structure. So now I'm going to remove them. Yeah, done. Okay, so first it's called 1001 bit tools, I think. Yeah, so first you go to window and then extension warehouse, and then you can search on 1001. It's also have in here the top extension. So yeah, it just click on there, and then see, this is how you're gonna use the face to create the structure, like the truss, drafters, yeah, and everything. So just click on download and then install it into your SketchUp. Or another way is just go with the window and then the extension manager, and then install extension and choose the extension files that you have downloaded, and then open it and install. Okay, so I already have it installed in my computer, like my SketchUp. Yeah, so just create rafter. Yeah, so first go to the face that you want to create. So this is the parametric face, and then 1000 with 2 and roof, create plugin, yeah, create rafter, and then just wait for the operation to finish. It's gonna take time because it's gonna create everything, like the rafter, the pattern. Okay, so there it is. Now it's done. I've been waiting quite long, and yeah, so it come up. So if you zoom in, like, oh, it's still creating something. Okay, so yeah, you have to keep clicking OK. So here it says creating after group 108, which has like over 100 group. Yeah, still creating. It's creating the patterns. Oh, we still have to wait a bit more. Yeah, but now you can also see, you can already see like the structure that pop up on the surface of the model. So yeah, at least it's worth that. You don't have to draw them just by using the plugin. Okay, so after this you can just save your file, and that's it, I guess. So that's it for today. Thank you.